Hey guys, I'm hoping you all are having a good time. Just wanted to give a quick update with regards to BTC. To be honest, first we'll go to the total 2. Now total 2 is at a support. Is at a support as of now, as you can see here. If this breaks down, we will see especially the alts would bleed more. So in order to see whether we would have an upside, we need to have this support in the total 2. I hope you know what total 2 means. If not, just place a comment. I'll try to make another video with regards to total 2, but I think a lot of YouTube videos you'll be able to find in with regards to total 2. So this is the problem as of now. And if we go to dominance is increasing. That is given because of the situation which BTC is at right now. It looks like some kind of if you really draw it, I'll just quickly draw it. If you really draw a line, it looks like we'll draw another one so it's easier. Okay, all right, okay, so it looks like some kind of a triangle. I'll just roughly draw it, and oops, all right, okay. Doing with the phone is really hard, but anyways, it looks like a much better. It looks like a triangle. So whichever the way it would break, we would see more. It seems like it's about to break now. Almost. This is 4 hour. So if it breaks upwards, you know what will happen to BTC and the whole market. So we will come to BTC. BTC is at a critical place. I'll go to Binance and not discuss about that one. Longs are decreasing, but not much. Shorts are increasing. That's somewhat a small concern as of now. But apart from that, if we go to the BTC chart, you can see something. We need to hold this 41.3 level, 41,300 level, in order to have an uppish moment, because in daily candles, MA147, something I really like. It's used in forex, to be honest, MA147, but I started practicing 147, and I found that MA147 is very much efficient. As you can see here, the first drop which happened from 52,900 to 42 area, the support was MA147, and at the same time I got some comments to flip the screen when I talking about the okay. Now MA, so as of now we are at the verge of breaking MA147, and if you go to 4 hour chart, you can see it's almost breaking down, and it's on a fib level, it's on a weekly fib level. This is something I draw in a different way. The fib level that I've used is from 59,700 to 28,885. There is a specific reason for the fib level that I use. This is the fib level, because if you can remember, this whole area, I'll try to draw this whole area. This whole area was somewhat an accumulation. So from there it failed. So I didn't take the 64,000 for this particular fib. I took 59 till the bottom. So if we go to 4 hour chart, that's what's holding as of now. um, if I can show you, that's the same level which has been holding 3 times. Now it has tested 3 times. Now it's breaking the trend line as well. So if we are to hold this right now, this will become a very big support. But we all know if 3 taps and if it doesn't go up, there's a high chance that this would break down. But I hope it won't break down, it would go up. That's what I hope. So the only reason is MA147. It came down once, but next day itself with a bullish engulfing, it closed up. So after that one, every single day it closed above. But if today we closed below this, we'll be having serious trouble. And I wanted to talk about a fractal, which was supposed to, okay, this is the fractal. um, this is actually the 5 ways that we count in Elliott waves, and a lot of people have used this fractal, stating that we could go to 31k, but I think the fractal has already broken as of what I see, because once you minimize the fractal to the current situation, you can see we have gone sideways. Over here rather than coming down, because we were supposed to come down yesterday if we are to drop like hell, but we didn't. Maybe today is the day. We cannot actually know. Apart from that, I wanted to talk about one more thing, which is DOS Bank. DOS Bank, they have already some analytical experts have already said that BTC is the 21st century gold. This is really big thing coming from a DOS Bank. And if we are to actually see about El Salvador, they have only 700 BTC. In order to say that a country accepting BTC, it's really good, because as a small country, if you have 1 BTC, as per the news I saw, if you have 1 BTC, you can get permanent residency in El Salvador. So that's something pretty nice if you really think about BTC. But 700 BTC won't do any big deal in the market. Not just 700 BTC, even 100k BTC, which is with our MicroStrategy CEO, Michael Saylor. He I mean, like, they have 100,000 BTC. You cannot consider them as a whale, because you are thinking about 21 million BTC. Out of that, one company owning 100,000, or Tesla owning 40,000, or who Grayscale having 700,000, or China. As of now, they have nearly 200k, even though they have banned everything. They have banned, they say they banned Binance, but actually Binance haven't been in China since 2017. I think after the hack, after Binance got hacked, I think a lot of people don't know that Binance got hacked. The whole Binance got hacked in 2017. So have a look at it as well if you have a Binance account. That's why I kind of tell everyone to go with Bybit. They are comparatively they are good, but I like Binance. So apart from that, the other thing is, you cannot consider those companies as whales, even though they are representing BTC, because 21 million 100k is what, not even what, I don't want to do the calculations, but it's very small amount. So real whales could be hiding for a very long time. We know that Satoshi Nakamoto's era, wallets have been activated few times in the last few years, but very recently there was one activation. I think nearly 600 BTC or something. But imagine if somebody has 1 million BTC somewhere hidden, because as of now, if you dig into this BTC, we know 21 million cap, we know 18.5 or 18.7 something is out there, and there is 2 point something to be mined, which would take maybe 30 years to 100 years to mine everything as per the current technological what do you call how the technology is going on as of now. Some people say that it could go up to 2140, year 2140, until we finish mining all the BTC. So 78.3 BTC, 78.3% of BTC is not even out here. Either they are lost, either they are in cold wallets. We have to consider this 78.3 part. That's the only reason I say, even though if you push the price so up, if we have a proper bull run again until 80k or 100k or whatever, there is a high probability that we would come down to 20k area. So I suggest you, if we are lucky, if we go to December all-time high, I suggest you to sell BTC or any other coin which doesn't have a proper projects which could keep the coin sustainable. For example, Solana coin was airdropped when it started. I think 50 coins were airdropped among, I mean, like, if you do, airdrop. So once you do, you get 50 coins. A lot of people just threw it away when it was like $3 or something. Now look at it. Even EGLD is another coin which has a lot of projects going on. Just guys, if you can read the white papers, get onto their websites, and read about it. And another thing I really want to express is, you are going after BTC can go up to 5x or 6x or 7x. We'll say 1 million, doesn't matter. If you go to another low cap, what do you call low supply coin, suppose let's say EGLD, or BTC-ST. BTC-ST is a hash rate coin of BTC. Just Google about hash rate coins. If you really want to know about hash rate coins, I would love to do a video with regards to hash rate coins, because I haven't seen anyone doing YouTube videos about hash rate coins. The specific reason is those coins are very much hidden. They are like super gems. A lot of people are not going behind those coins as of now. But for example, I'll tell you, BTC-ST is a hash rate coin. So if you know what hash rate coin means, you know what to do next. So go through those coins and have a look, because Solana is, I think, by far the best coin when it comes to fees, when it comes to gas fee, and when it comes to other factors as well. So if you are a person who wants to have some long-term profits, Solana, EGLD, BTC-ST, I can tell you some more coins, but I just want you to have a look. And if you know better coins than what I have told you, you can always come back to me and comment under this video. So those are the things I wanted to talk about today. So I still believe one more thing. A lot of euro has been transferred to USDT. So they are transferring, or they are exchanging euros to USDT. Now if you know, last year, with the COVID, with the pandemic, a lot of European companies got bankrupt, but they were bought by Chinese companies for very, very small amounts. They were bought over by Chinese company for a very, very small amount, and most of the companies are under Chinese companies as of now. So I could think, maybe this is hypothetical, but you can have a look, or you can see it. I'm like, try for yourself. I think Chinese are trying to get those euros that they are earning as USDT to buy BTC and have their own BTC stash somewhere, because in the future we will definitely be going full on crypto, or full on digital currency. That will happen. That's why I was talking about the Avro, and then this euro collaboration they had, and the Avro they wanted to do. So BTC USA saying that this is a good opportunity, because we know USA and the Chinese relationship. So uh, the most alarming part is the Russians are not uh, in the picture at all. So, so one could say that, okay, these countries are fighting over a cryptocurrency, uh, BTC, not the other currencies, BTC. We could let them accumulate as much as possible, and maybe we could do something to BTC. I don't know, because we don't know who Satoshi Nakamoto is. We know that it looks like an Asian name. That's what we know, like a Japanese name. Apart from that, we don't know anything. But I think in the near future we'll get to know more and more about BTC. So I'm sorry I took nearly 60 minutes out of your time. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope that we will bounce from here, so we can eventually go to 44 and then 46 to 48 area, and see how BTC would react, because as of what I told you a couple of days ago, this is totally extortion, and then impulse move should be there. So we had that impulse move at 53. So we'll see what could happen. Whatever it is, impulse move will happen, so we'll have to actually see what will happen. So by tomorrow we would have a clear picture of what could be the future of BTC. So anyways guys, thank you very much for subscribing me. Thank you very much for viewing this video. I didn't expect to have 100 videos in after doing few videos. So thank you very much, and I hope you'll trade safe, because for now, for retailers, this is not a trade zone. But if you are really smart, you can do scalping. I'm hoping to do a video with regards to scalping. A lot of people say scalping, I say scalping. We'll see if I get enough feedbacks. I'll try to do a scalping strategy that I think is good for retailers. So okay guys, have a nice day. Talk to you soon. Bye.